Hi. What up?
What's up, guys? We're back at it on another adventure. This weekend we are going to Valdez. We have Lila back there with us this time. She's in her little bucket, same bucket that we used whenever we drove up to Alaska and PCS'd here. And then we have one of our good friends behind us in his truck with his dog. You guys will meet him later. But yeah, we are headed to Valdez for more fishing and camping for this wonderful 4th of July weekend.
What up?
All right, we stopped in Glen Allen and we are stopping for a potty break for both the dogs and the humans. I think Kyle is over here somewhere. Yes, that's Kyle, guys, over there. Mauser's in the truck. But yeah, we only have, I want to say, like an hour and a half left. Lila wants to see Kyle. Let's see, heron. And harbison. Right here.
Thanks.
Good morning. We're still getting ready. I'm over here cooking.
Hold on, let's see if they work. Yep, they work.
Thanks for the test, babe. We got the dogs in the trucks while we get everything finally situated. It's a beautiful day out. Yeah. So supposedly the campground that we're staying at back there, they're expecting like literally to be packed tonight. So I'm gonna check out these souvenirs before the mad rush comes and check out keychains and t-shirts. Chris and Kyle just left. They are going to Alaskan Point to try to go catch some fish. Right now the pink salmons are the ones running, and Lila, Mauser, and I are just hanging around the campsite. I'm about to finish editing the Seward video. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click the I and watch that video. And yeah, we're just chilling. Hopefully the boys catch stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get some drone footage, because I don't know if you guys can see that line right there. That's a waterfall, and then there's some waterfalls over there. But it looks like a pretty good day. I don't know if you guys can see, there's basically like no clouds over there, like over the mountains and stuff. So hopefully it clears up a little bit over here. But yeah, we're gonna have, I'm so ready. I'm honestly excited, like really excited to cook, because I got steaks, and like this morning we had sausage, eggs, and pancakes. So yeah, we're gonna have a good time here in Valdez. We're currently in Safeway because we forgot paper towels and some other things. And Chris wanted syrup. Oh, see that? Syrup is $6.79. And I am a stickler on syrup. It has to be Aunt Jemima's, aka Pearl Mining Company. But like, oh my god. Look at that. For syrup.
What is it?
Where it is, PC. Where it is, PC. There you go. And as I say, I am the captain now.
All Georgia is rolling hills, vegetation. Oh, look, an eagle. Look up. It's so hot. What is happening? No! It's definitely better than not catching fish. Nice scenic hike. It's got a nice scenic hike. Something we didn't do in Seward.
Duet. Now it's about to be a trio. Alright, we're at a new spot. We are at Blueberry Lake State Recreational Site. Giving this a try since salmon fishing isn't going too well. So we're gonna try to get some trout. It doesn't really echo. Huh? Valdez Glacier, and this lake is like eerily like very still, probably because there's like no fish here, but it is very still. But it's pretty cool. We're about to go touch the water and see if it's cold. So you ended up catching how many?
9. Like 9 that I would claim I caught, and then 3 or 4. Well, no, that like I had but dropped them. So like the one that I put, so I need to throw that net away. I netted it, was like, got it, and it went right through the net. Off the hook.
Wow. Alright, while the guys pack up the last, where'd you go? Last few things. Long story short, no fish, but we did have a great weekend. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and click the big red subscribe button down below. Whenever you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post. Also, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up for visiting, you know, another part of Alaska. So we'll see you later. Bye.